Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make yam porridge. This is actually one of my many methods of making porridge, and I would be using the following ingredients. Because I don't have the dried shrimps, I will be using the fresh one and showing you how to make it crispy. And for my vegetable, I would be using a mix of spinach and kale. In Nigeria, my best choice of vegetable is the popularly nicknamed green vegetable, followed by ugu. But because I don't have access to those vegetables, I will be using this. Also, the taste of fish, be it smoking or dried fish in porridge, is second to none. But I will be using this fish. The problem with this fish is that it's too soft, so I'm going to be placing it in the oven a bit to adding it. Next, I will be blending my pepper, and do not blend your pepper small. Once my pepper is blended, I would be boiling a bit. You can actually skip this boiling part, and while the pepper gets boiled, I'm going to proceed to getting ready the yam. Different people have different preference when it comes to the size of the yam in the porridge. As for me, I like it small, so I'm going to cut it small because I'm still going to ensure I mash it. So if you would like to see your yam big, you can cut your yam in bigger form. Once this is set, I'm going to just leave in water and proceed to prepare the rest of the ingredients. And now my fish is in a more better state compared to the former state. If you are using smoked fish or dry fish, please debone your fish, add salt and pour hot water over it. And my next step is frying my onion and shrimps to make it crispy. Since I'm using palm oil for this yam porridge recipe, I will be frying in palm oil. So I'm going to just fry until both are crispy. Remember, if you are using dried shrimps or crayfish, all you have to do is just fry your onion. And now that everything is set, I will be moving on to cooking proper. So I'm going to add water into my pot first. Please be careful of the amount of water you add depending on how you want your porridge. If you really don't like to mash your porridge, then I would advise you add the water bit by bit. You can add more water if you feel that the yam is not yet done. Just be careful of the water. And in case you are using new yam, please note new yam only require little water. Next, I will be adding in the boiled pepper and seasoning. And for this yam porridge, I will be using Maggi crayfish. Feel free to use any Maggi you want. And I have it dissolved in hot water before adding due to its hardness. Please note the fish and vegetable is always the last thing to add. Once the palm oil is added, I will be bringing everything to a boil. I almost forgot to add my dried crayfish. And now I'll be adding in the yam. Remember, to be on the safer side, just ensure the water is barely covering the yam. You can always add in more water if required. After adding the yam, just cover and let it cook. Once you feel that the yam is cooked, you can add in the fish, your fried onion and vegetable. After adding, just cover and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now that everything is well cooked, you can mash to your taste. And that is all for today's video. Remember to like the video and drop a comment after trying. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, as I have new recipes for you every week.